Hello dear friends, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to join my VIP program of Hello Improve English Language. And it's my great pleasure that you are watching my channel regularly and you are trying too much to learn English language. Anyway, it's nice to learn English language. All the students are watching my channel regularly with concentration. And listen, always I told you, listen carefully so that you can understand and you can improve your English language. And it is my privilege, means you gave me a nice privilege to teach you English language very well. It's a golden period for me to teach you English language through media or through these videos. So I welcome you, most welcome you to watch my channel regularly, and so you can improve your English language. Okay, well, and once more again, thank you to watch my channel, and never forget to watch my channel. Never. If you never forget to watch my channel, you cannot be live without learning English language. It means you will learn surely English language, and English language is so very interesting language, worldwide language. You can see that it is world connecting language. You know very well that thing. English is spoken in all over the countries. You can say most of the countries. You can see that. So it is very interesting period for all the students, not for me only. Learn English language, okay? And I hope also you all the students are learning. Today I am going to explain you or teach you very interesting fact of learning English language. You know very well that it depends on your learning process and method. Means method should be based on practical. It means your knowledge should be based on behavior or practical knowledge, you can see. Because you know very well that theoretical part we learn, so we feel so difficulty in learning theoretical part. But practically you and all the students learn so quickly and so sharply. So it is very interesting part. Practical is very interesting part. So today I am going to explain you very interesting sentence today. Very interesting. You cannot find in any books also. So this is a very interesting type. I will explain you. Firstly, I will explain you, or you can say verbally, or you can say orally. I will explain you. If you don't understand, I will explain you on green board with the help of marker or chalk, you can say. Well, so you will learn today. Definitely you will learn. In my previous video, I explained you different kinds of the sentence, how to speak them. Yesterday, I also explained you very interesting two types of sentences. वह हंसती है, या कह सकते हैं वह हंसने लगती है. शी बिगिन्स टू लाफ. वह दौड़ने लगता है. ही बिगिन्स टू रन. इस तरीके का मैंने आपको सेंटेंस सिखाया था. सेकंड टाइप, वह हंसती ही रहती है. शी डज नथिंग बट लाफ. वह खेलता ही रहता है. ही डज नथिंग बट प्ले. मैं आपको पढ़ाता ही रहता हूँ. आई डू नथिंग बट टीच यू. Similarly, I am going to explain you third type, you can see the sentence, third type sentence that is very interesting for you. लड़का पढ़ाए जाने को है. How can we speak that thing? Boy is to be taught. Okay. Next you can take example. होमवर्क कंप्लीट करने को है. There is a homework to be done. Okay, similarly you can form different kinds of the sentences. Okay, पाठ याद करने को है, there is a lesson to be learned, और कह सकते हैं तो इस तरीके के डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द सेंटेंस आप बना सकते हो, है ना। सो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। घर साफ करने को है या घर की सफाई करने को है तो कह सकते हैं देयर इज अ रूम टू बी क्लीन्ड। एक वीडियो प्रिपेयर करने को है, देयर इज वीडियो टू बी डन। यू कैन से दैट देयर इज वीडियो टू बी रिकॉर्डेड। और कह सकते हैं होमवर्क करने को है, देयर इज होमवर्क टू बी डन। है so different types of the sentence you can form just like me. Okay, so it's very interesting fact for all the students, and I am going to explain you on blackboard. Okay, so you can watch on blackboard, so I will do on blackboard. Okay, so this is blackboard and you can listen here and you can watch. Okay, so you can see here, there is a very interesting fact to all the students. I told you घर बनाए जाने को है या एक बिल्डिंग बनाए जाने को, तो हाउ कैन बी से दैट थिंग, बिल्डिंग is to be built. Okay, building is to be built. Similarly, other words you can form different kinds of the sentences also. Okay, take it other examples also. होमवर्क किए जाने को है तो there is you can use. Okay, there is homework to be done. Okay, similarly you can make other sentences. You can say we can say that a lot of things are to be done. बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने को है, बहुत सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी दैट पाठ याद कर जाने को है, किया जाने को है, एक बालक पढ़ाए जाने को है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव माई सन, सो देयर इज ए सन टू बी टॉट. ओके, देयर इज और अदर टाइप्स ऑल्सो यू कैन से आई हैव माई सन टू बी टॉट. मेरा बच्चा पढ़ाए जाने को है तो माई सन, और आई हैव my son to be taught. Similarly, you can form different kinds of the sentence as well. So you can learn English language. It is very simple. If you want to explain this thing in past, because this is the sentence of present. If you want to explain that thing in past, you can use was at the place of is. Okay, for example this is you can use was. For example I will explain you. There is an example. घर साफ किए जाने को है, इट मीन्स हाउस इज सो डर्टी सो वी विल हैव टू क्लीन इट. ओके, सो घर साफ किए जाने को है तो कैसे बनाएंगे हम, तो यू कैन do this thing. Okay, for example you can take an example. अच्छा, तो घर साफ किए जाने को था तो कैसे बोलेंगे, there is a house. or is, it means you can use at the is, at the place of is you can use was. There was a house to be cleaned. Okay, this is the sentence of past, means घर साफ किए जाने को था. ओके, और कह सकते हैं बच्चा पढ़ाने को था तो कैसे बोलेंगे, there was A child to be taught मीन्स एक बच्चा पढ़ाए जाने को था। क्या कह रहे हैं, बच्चे पढ़ाए जाने को थे, पास्ट में है तो आर लगाएंगे, मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं। ओके, लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर, यू कैन से प्लूरल, so there are lot of students or children, so you can use in present or, and in past you can use were, sorry, okay, there were students, you can use there were students to be taught, it means बच्चे पढ़ाए जाने को थे। सो दीज आर द सेंटेंसेस, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप, यू विल नॉट फाइंड इन एनी बुक्स ऑल्सो, you can find in special books, you can see. Okay, generally books don't contain such kind of the things, so this is very interesting point for you, and you can learn them very easily. This is very simple thing to all the students. Okay, so I used so simple sentences, simple words which are very useful to all the students. You can do this thing very easily. Okay, there is no any difficulty, I hope that thing, and eventually you will learn this thing very surely, I hope that thing. Okay, so it's very nice pleasure, it's very interesting period for me, it's my great honor, great pleasure that you are learning all kinds of the sentences through my channel. Okay, so keep watching my channel always, never forget to watch my channel, never forget to watch my videos, because through my videos, through my channel, you can enrich your English language, you can make strong your English language, you can be a powerful speaker also, because I didn't know how to speak English language, but practice, you know very well, so I practiced so many times, I did practice so much, and I listened again and again, so I can speak English language well before public also, not alone. So it's very interesting period to all the students, they can listen English language, they can learn English language more and more. So it's very nice period to all the students, and for us also. This is the period of corona, but I would like say you very interesting information for you. Okay, this is the time of corona, COVID-19. Keep you and your family safe from corona. You know very well that how can be safe from corona? By covering your mouth, use mask always whenever you are going out of your home, so you should use mask. Okay, if you have no mask, you can use towel or muffler or a handkerchief, you can use here. Okay, so you can cover here, from here, so you can cover your mouth, and always whenever you come back to your house, or when you come your home back, so don't touch anything of house, you should enter into bathroom also, you should enter directly in bathroom, and you should bath first, and bath with the help of very interesting and very powerful soap. For example, you can use made in India soaps also. So you can use the antivirus also, antibiotic creams also, powders also. So you can use different kinds of the body lotions also, through which you can kill the virus. Keep distance always when you are going to in public. Keep distance. Never forget keeping distance between two peoples or among peoples. You can see that. So keep distance always. This is the rule of which is given by our Prime Minister Modi ji. This is the direction of Prime Minister Modi ji. We should keep always distance, not social. You can say at physical distance. Okay, well, and cover your mouth also. And there are lot of things. Always wash your hands. Never forget to wash your hands with the help of soap. Okay, useful soap and antibiotic soap also. So a lot of soaps are available, and so you should wash your hands minimum 20 seconds so that you can keep yourself safe from corona and your family too. Okay, so this is very interesting information to all the students. This is the appeal of government also to all the peoples or Indian citizens. Never forget these rules. Number one, keep distance between two peoples. Okay, second one, cover your mouth. And third thing is that when you come your home, never forget to bath. Okay, and wash your hands minimum 20 seconds. Okay, so these are the cautions through which you can be safe from corona, and you can keep safe your family also. So these are the very interesting rule to all the students. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and congratulations that you are very safe from corona. And I would like request you all the people, all the you can the viewers, you can say that never forget to have cleanliness around you. Okay, so never use clothes of other people. Okay, for example t-shirts or towels, pants, shirts, you can different kinds of the clothes. Okay, never use of clothes of other people's. Okay, so these are very interesting cautions to all the people to be healthy and to be safe from corona. This is very dangerous epidemic. You know epidemic बोलते हैं महामारी वैसे. So this is epidemic, world epidemic. So be safe from epidemic, and you can defeat corona by learning and following the rules of government which were provided. Okay, so thank you to join with me. Okay, thank you once more, Magan.